Would it hurt you, Adam, to do work for once?
How did you know? Are you checking it out or am I?
I think you'll find I am the one doing
So
the
rock,
work.
paper, scissors? Ah, fine. Emily, you have 5 minutes before I knock down the door. I don't think I even want to know.
Next time you threaten to knock down my door, I'll electrocute you.
Never mind that. Why is the siren going on?
I spilled my coffee on the warning button.
Why aren't you fixing it?
I'm on my break.
You mean to say I'm missing my break because you're too lazy?
Your break was earlier. Remember, I am the one looking at the security cameras, and I'm sorry you are missing playing Minecraft.
How did you know that? Right, wait a minute. Why are you spying on me?
Oh, don't flatter yourself. I spy on everyone.
Why?
'Cause I get to see everyone's secrets.
What did you see?
Enough. You know, I'm sure, Adam, that Sarah would love to see these photos of yours.
Don't you fucking dare.
Hope you don't mind. I let myself in.
Sarah.
Hey guys, what's up with the siren? Why are you two shouting?
Well, me and Adam here were just talking about how...
Emily should probably turn off the siren off. Yeah, that's exactly what we were talking about.
Okay then. Now can you please turn off the siren?
Why are you asking so nicely?
I swear this is gonna make my ears bleed.
Oh, great. It's the whiny brat himself, James.
What? Why, it's the most pathetic excuse of a man.
I'm more of a man than you.
The testosterone is pouring out of you.
At least I have the balls, you weirdo.
Ooh, weirdo. No, that one's truly stung.
You little...
Can you two please stop?
I swear, you bicker like an old married couple.
Married couple, have you seen arguing about balls and manliness?
When you read enough yaoi manga, nothing surprises you anymore.
That's odd. The siren has stopped. We are all still here.
Oh, if it isn't the teacher's pet.
James, this isn't a school.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Hate you.
Same here, bud.
I would get back to work if I were you guys. The boss won't be happy if he sees you slacking off. This is a big case we have been given.
I think you mean you have been given. We haven't been told to do anything.
Well, the boss will be telling you soon. So you better be doing something productive when he comes to tell you.
I better go after him. You know how he gets with work.
Lazy.
Oh, come on. Don't be mean, Adam. Gotta go. Bye.
Me? Mean? He threatened my manliness. You don't do that to a man.